We are not in any way trying to prevent, to curtail, to hinder trade. What we are saying is we are regulating unethical, and I'm using the word unethical.
Uyu niguo murugamo wa Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini thutha wa riboti iria ikoretwo igitheremio ati ministry ino niranina uhuthiri wa minyonyi ya plastic bururi-ini gukinyaniria tariki 28 mweri wa gatano mwaka uyu.
There are two issues that we are discussing. One, the issue of a ban on plastics, which is not in the purview of the Ministry of Health and which is not part of the breast milk substitutes regulations 184 of 2021.
Dagitari Andrew Mulwa, afitha kuma ministry ni ugima wa mwiri augite ministry ni mawatho igathikite ma wendia gutangatha indo iria ihuthikaga guthondeka iria ria ciana mandiko maria makoragwo minyonyi-ini niguo guthingiriria atumia kuongithagia ciana ciao.
When you look at the breast milk substitute in this republic, the formula feeds, how they will be labeled, how they will be marketed, to what extent can, like for example, a producer of breast milk substitute come and advertise in an hospital that there is this. All those things are what is being regulated.
Mulwa ni athingiririe ta ministry ugima wa mwiri mendekithagia mwana akongithio ni nyina na kugikinyirirwo no muhaka mwana heo iria na njira ingi muciari akahuthagira giciko kana gikombe.
You don't create the impression that breast milk substitute is better than breast milk. Because as a ministry and WHO, UNICEF, all the players in nutrition recognize breast milk as the best option for our children and young infants.
Kugikinyirirwo mutumia ari na thina wa kuruta iria, marigitari ni moritio mbere ya kuheaga atumia njira ingi iria mwana angiona iria makambaga kurigita thina uria mutumia ari naguo ita njira ya kunyihia uhuthiri wa minyonyi na iria ria mututu.
The industry is to interact with healthcare workers. There is a committee, there are procedures that will be followed just to ensure that the interaction remains ethical, so that we do not have healthcare workers that are promoting.
Watho uyu wahitukirwo ni mbunge cieri cia bururi mwaka muhituku na ukigathikwo ngatheti-ini ya bururi kuria utanyitwo gukambiririo kurutithio wira tariki 30 mweri-ini wa 5 mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Retorakani wa Juru wa Foro.